Welcome to Stanley Park, Vancouver's iconic urban park. Spanning over 1,000 acres, this lush oasis is a natural wonderland nestled right in the heart of the city. Rich in history and natural beauty, Stanley Park is a must-visit destination for both locals and tourists. Moving on, we have the Stanley Park Pavilion and Rose Garden. The Pavilion, a beautiful heritage building, hosts events and gatherings. Just a short walk away is the Rose Garden, featuring over 3,500 rose bushes. It's a breathtaking sight, especially in full bloom. For a fun family outing, hop on the miniature train ride, which features themed journeys throughout the year. Nearby, the children's farmyard lets kids interact with friendly animals, making it a delightful experience for young visitors. The park is home to several historical landmarks, such as the Hollow Tree and the Air Force Garden of Remembrance. These sites offer a glimpse into the past and are integral to the park's heritage. At Brockton Point, you'll find the impressive totem poles, one of the park's most visited attractions. These totem poles, crafted by Indigenous artists, tell stories of the First Nations people and their rich cultural heritage. They are a powerful reminder of the deep history of this land. Brockton Point is a place where history, art, and nature converge, making it a must-visit destination within Stanley Park. Whether you're a local or a traveler, these totem poles provide a meaningful and educational experience that enriches your understanding of the region's heritage. One of the park's most famous features is the seawall. Stretching nearly 9 kilometers, it's perfect for walking, cycling, and rollerblading, offering stunning views of the city, mountains, and ocean. Whether you're a casual stroller or an avid cyclist, the seawall is an experience you won't forget. The Stanley Park Ecology Society works tirelessly to protect the park's natural environment. They run various conservation projects and offer educational programs to help visitors learn about the park's ecosystems and wildlife. The 9 o'clock gun is a large, historic cannon located in Cole Harbour, Vancouver, BC, Canada. Every night at exactly 9 p.m., this cannon fires, a tradition that has continued almost every night for about a century. It's a beloved Vancouver tradition, drawing people nightly to witness and hear its powerful boom. Currently, the 9 o'clock gun is undergoing maintenance and is temporarily out of operation, but its legacy as a cherished part of Vancouver's history remains strong. Brockton Point Lighthouse is a historic beacon in Stanley Park, Vancouver. Built in 1914, this picturesque lighthouse stands at the eastern tip of the park, offering stunning views of Burrard Inlet and the city skyline. As a vital navigational aid for ships entering Vancouver Harbor, the lighthouse symbolizes the city's maritime heritage. Located within the park is the Vancouver Aquarium, a top attraction for families. Here, you can explore incredible marine life exhibits, including sea otters, dolphins, and tropical fish. The aquarium also plays a vital role in marine conservation and education. Experience the charm and history of Stanley Park with a horse-drawn tour. These guided tours offer a relaxing and nostalgic way to explore the park's stunning landscapes, lush forests, and iconic landmarks. As the gentle clip-clop of the horses sets a tranquil pace, you'll learn fascinating stories about Vancouver's rich heritage and the natural beauty of this urban oasis. Discover the girl in a wetsuit, one of Stanley Park's most iconic and enchanting sculptures. Perched on a rock near the seawall, this life-size bronze statue was created by artist Alec Imerty in 1972. Inspired by Copenhagen's Little Mermaid, the statue features a serene figure wearing a wetsuit, fins, and a mask, symbolizing Vancouver's deep connection to the ocean and aquatic life. Whether you're walking, cycling, or enjoying a leisurely tour, the girl in a wetsuit adds a touch of artistic beauty and cultural significance to your Stanley Park experience. The SS Empress of Japan figurehead in Stanley Park, Vancouver, striking replica of the original figurehead from the famous ship. The SS Empress of Japan was a key player in trade between Canada and the Orient, making significant contributions to international commerce. The hollow tree is a famous old tree that has become a popular spot for photos. Prospect Point offers some of the best views in Stanley Park. From here, you can gaze out over the Lions Gate Bridge and Burrard Inlet. Don't miss the historic Prospect Point Lighthouse and the charming cafe, perfect for a relaxing break. When it's time to eat, Stanley Park offers plenty of dining options. Enjoy a meal at one of the park's restaurants or cafes. or bring your own food for a picnic in one of the scenic spots. Now, welcome to Third Beach, one of Stanley Park's hidden gems. Located on the western edge of the park, Third Beach offers a serene escape from the bustling city of Vancouver. With its stunning views of the Pacific Ocean and North Shore Mountains, this beach is a perfect spot to relax and unwind. The calm waters and sandy shores make it ideal for swimming or simply enjoying a peaceful stroll along the coastline. As the day turns to dusk, Third Beach becomes a popular gathering place for locals and tourists alike to witness one of Vancouver's most breathtaking sunsets. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, providing the perfect backdrop for an evening picnic or a moment of reflection. For those seeking a bit of adventure, the nearby forest trails offer excellent hiking opportunities, where you can immerse yourself in the natural beauty of Stanley Park. Whether you're here for a quiet afternoon or an evening under the stars, Third Beach is a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Vancouver. Stanley Park is a hub of recreational activities. Enjoy a game of tennis, play a round of pitch and putt golf, or take a dip in the second beach pool. There are also numerous playgrounds and picnic areas, making it a great spot for families. Second Beach, a beloved spot in Stanley Park known for its expansive sandy shoreline, calm waters of English Bay, and a family-friendly heated outdoor pool. Stanley Park boasts a diverse range of flora and fauna. Wander through its lush forests, and you'll find towering cedar and Douglas fir trees. Keep an eye out for the many animals and birds that call the park home, including raccoons, squirrels, and herons. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel, Moss Travel, for more exciting travel content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think, and share this video with your friends. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more amazing adventures. See you in the next video.